What is going on, guys, and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be talking about that how can you install WordPress locally on your computer. So let's get started. So first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Tanzilo Rahman, and you guys must know me. I am a best-selling instructor at udemy.com, and you can see that I do have some premium courses. Go and check them out if you like any of the course. They are mostly related to WordPress and blog and about SEO. So if you are interested, go and check them out. You can just search my name on Google and you will see that here will be the thing. Tanzilo Rahman, WordPress developer and SEO expert, Udemy. So do check out my profile, and if you find any of the course to be good for you, then you can buy that on a discount code. So let's go to this WordPress and let's install this locally on our computer. So basically, how can we install this? So first of all, what we have to do, we have to just download this WordPress. We have to just hit this download, and it is showing this download. I have to download this, and let's see. So it is downloading the file wordpress.org, and it has been downloaded. So now you can see that my WordPress is now downloaded, and if I just open this folder up, it's gonna show me like this. You can see WordPress 4.8.2. This is the folder of WordPress. I can extract it here, and here we go. You can see a WordPress folder has been created right here. I can view this folder. So let's view this, and this is how our WordPress folder looks like. You can see we have WP admin, WP content, but how can we access this in our computer locally? So we basically need a software to run that. How we'll do that is that the software that we will be running is a XAMPP. So basically, if I want to access this folder, right here, if I just open this up and I access this from this one, the URL, you will see that this page is not loading. And if I just access this my whole folder, it is showing this thing. If I just open this index.php, it is not working perfectly. It is just showing this thick stuff, and this is not working. So how am I going to make it work? We need a software that is called XAMPP. So what do we have to do? We have to search. Oops, sorry. We have to search for XAMPP, and then we have to hit the search, and you can see that here is the first link that says Apache Friends. I have to just download this software, and this WordPress will be totally running up on my machine, local machine. So here you can see that I've got this version that says 5.6.3.31. I can download this. So it totally depends that which software, which operating system you're using. So if you're using Windows, go for Windows. If you're using OS X, go for OS X. Or if you're using Linux, go for Linux. Okay. So I'm going to go with this one. I have to just hit download, and it's gonna download this. Let's wait for it to download, and when it is done, I'll be back. Okay, now we're done with the download. I have to just hit open, and it's gonna open this up, and let's start downloading this. I'm gonna hit yes, and it's gonna take me to the next window. Let's wait. There we go. This is the thing that says important because unactivated. Let's okay, and now we have to just hit next. We have to just hit next, and we have to choose a destination, and then we have to hit next. Make sure that there is no folder, since I already have installed XAMPP on this local folder. I cannot install it, but you have to just hit next, and then you have to install, and this XAMPP is going to be installed on your local machine. So now after your installation is completed, what you have to do, you have to just go to this your search. You have to search for the XAMPP. Okay, and this is the XAMPP control panel that is coming. I have to just open it up, and here we go. You can see that it says Apache SQL, FileZilla, Mercury, Tomcat. Basically, you need only two things that are really workful for the XAMPP. The one is Apache and the other one is SQL. Let's start this and let's start this as well. And now let's check if our XAMPP is running. So you will see that here will be the module would be green and this would be green. If this is showing an error, then make sure that you have to change the port, or if you cannot change the port, you make sure that you uninstall Skype if you have, because Skype creates a problem with this XAMPP. Or any other software that you have. So now after just this is running, what you have to do and how can you test this? So you have to open up your browser. I would highly recommend you to go with Chrome. Well, if you are using Internet Explorer or Firefox, it's okay. So let's visit localhost. Just localhost, and let's hit enter, and it's gonna show you this window that says XAMPP, Apache, MariaDB, PHP, Perl, and my XAMPP is totally running. So you can see that this is a page that is coming, and that is the dashboard. So let's basically access the folder in which this XAMPP is installed. I have to open up my PC, and here is the folder with this Windows C. I have to go to XAMPP, and this is the folder that is coming here in my XAMPP. So you should be seeing the folders here. So basically, we need to install WordPress in here or in this XAMPP folder. So what we will do, we will create a folder for WordPress. Okay, I have to just hit new, and then I have to hit create a folder, and that would be WordPress. Okay, and here we go. You can see that WordPress folder has been created. I have to just copy and paste the files that were in WordPress. The file that we downloaded from WordPress, you can see WP. Yes, the WordPress. So I have to just copy all these files, and now I have to just come here and I have to paste it in the XAMPP folder. So it's gonna take some time, and it's we'll paste the files. So here we go. You can see that my files has been pasted, and now let's open up our localhost, and let's visit localhost / WordPress. Localhost / WordPress. It's not working. Let's see if we have no. We created a mistake, and that is to where we have to install is not in the XAMPP folder, but we have to install this WordPress. Let's rename this WordPress as Press. Okay, and we have to just install this, or we have to paste it in the htdocs folder. This one, the htdocs. We have to install WordPress here. So I'm gonna be just pasting it here. My folder name is Press. Okay, my folder name is not WordPress. Okay, so if I just now visit Press, you'll see that WordPress will be totally running. Okay, here we go. You can see that Press is now opening a page or a file that says everything press /wp-admin. So if I just open up my htdocs, you can see that this page is totally running. If I just add localhost / press, then this page is coming, and this is opening this WP admin folder, and everything is coming here. So basically, now we have to install this WordPress. How we're going to install is that we have to just select this one, and then we have to hit continue. It's going to take us to the next page, and that says welcome to WordPress. Before getting it started, we need some information on the database. You'll need to know the following items before proceeding. So we need these items. Okay, let's go, and here we go. You can see that it says database name, username, password, database host, and prefix. So we basically have to create a database, and how we will create a database is that we have to visit localhost / php myadmin. And here we go. You can see that we have this thing. Here will be the databases that all your local host machine has. If you would be seeing only this one, and some less database. Okay, we have to just hit new, and here the database that we will be creating would be Press. Okay, my database name is Press. I have to just hit create, and the database is created. Now you can see that if I just press it, you can see that no tables found in database. If I just now come here, and now I have to enter the database name, so that my database name would be Press, my username would be root, my password would be empty. Since I haven't set any password, it is recommended that you should not be setting any password. Okay, and then we have the database host, that is localhost, and leave this as it is since this is our database host, localhost. And then we have the table prefix, leave this as it is. Now we have to hit submit, and you can see, all right, you have installed everything. So now I have to just hit install, and it's gonna install this. You can see that welcome information needed, and WordPress is now installed on my computer. I have to just provide the title, and that is going to be my awesome website. And the username that I will be giving would be my name, that is Tanzil. And now I have to add a password, and I have to basically hide it. I have to add password, and now I have to enter the email that I have. And here I have to install WordPress. Don't check this one because it says that discourage search engines from indexing this site. If you don't want search engines to index this website, then select this, otherwise don't. So I have to just hit install, and it's gonna be installed. Let's wait and let's see. Fingers crossed. I hope it is working. Here we go. You can see that WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. Now let's see our database, that how does our database looks. If I just refresh this, here as you can see that database is, and every database is coming. Now I would highly recommend you to not to mess with this, because you have to just create it once and then you have to close it. Don't do anything. If you have any problem with your database, then you can change anything, but do not change anything, otherwise your site will be down. So now what do we have to do? We have to just hit login, and we have to log into our website. So here we have to enter the username that we added, and then here we have to enter the password of our WordPress installation, basically, not the PHP my admin password. So I have to just enter the password, and then I have to hit login, and here we go. You can see that I am logged in my WordPress panel, and if I just visit my website, this is how my website looks. It's amazing. Now you can mess with your WordPress installation. You can do anything. You can go to dashboard, you can install themes, you can change themes, you can create pages, you can just customize your theme totally and do anything with WordPress. Now WordPress.org is totally running locally on our computer. Now let's see if I just close my internet, and let's see if my this WordPress works. So if I'm going to just come here, I'm going to just Wi-Fi disconnected, and now let's refresh our website. And here we go. You can see that my website is totally running and everything is working perfectly. If I go to dashboard, this dashboard will also run. Okay, there will be a problem. The themes will not load. If I just go here and I just click add new, it will not load any of the theme because I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi. So I have to just connect my Wi-Fi, and then when I will refresh this, it's gonna show me my themes that I have. I can install any other theme. I can make my website look awesome. So thanks a lot guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Since I'm new to this channel and this is my first video, I would highly encourage you, and it would be appreciated if you just subscribe my channel. Also do look at my profiles on Udemy and see my courses that I publish. I think there might be some course that you find easy or good for yourself. Goodbye.